Have you ever found yourself in a work situation that felt like a game of strategy? You're not alone. This is the essence of game theory, understanding how people make decisions in strategic situations. It's happening all around us every day in our workplaces. This essay is your guide to mastering workplace strategy using game theory and contingent contracts. We'll explore how these concepts play out in common workplace scenarios and what you can gain from recognizing them. By the end, you'll have a new lens through which to view workplace interactions. So buckle up and let's dive into the exciting world of game theory. Let's break down these concepts into bite sized pieces. Imagine game theory as a framework for understanding decisions when outcomes depend on others' choices. Now let's bring in contingent contracts, agreements where terms depend on certain events or actions. Think about performance bonuses at work. If you hit a specific target, you get a bonus. That's a contingent contract in action. By understanding incentives and structuring agreements that benefit both parties, you can create win win situations. In the next section, we'll explore specific workplace examples where game theory and contingent contracts shape the game. Let's bring game theory to life with some real world scenarios you might recognize from your own workplace. Imagine a team project where everyone is rewarded equally based on the final output. Game theory predicts some might slack off, known as the free rider problem. But what if individual contributions were directly linked to individual rewards? This is where contingent contracts come into play. By changing the incentives, you can motivate each team member to contribute their best. Think about company-wide initiatives like reducing energy consumption. It's in everyone's best interest to contribute, but it can be tempting to think my small effort won't make a difference. Companies can use game theory to their advantage by implementing programs that reward individual or team efforts towards sustainability. Competitions for reducing energy use or rewards for consistent recycling can incentivize participation. These examples highlight how game theory and contingent contracts can shape behavior and improve collaboration. By understanding these concepts, we can make more informed decisions in the workplace. So we've explored the what and the how of game theory and contingent contracts in the workplace. Now let's talk about the why. Understanding game theory can be a game changer for your career. It allows you to anticipate the actions and reactions of others, helping you make more strategic decisions. Imagine predicting how your boss might react to a proposal or understanding a colleague's motivations. Game theory empowers you to create win-win situations, negotiate more effectively, and build stronger relationships. It's about moving from competition to cooperation, where everyone benefits. By applying game theory principles, you can find solutions that benefit everyone involved. Understanding game theory and contingent contracts is like having a secret weapon in your professional arsenal. We've only just scratched the surface of game theory and contingent contracts. These concepts are vast and endlessly fascinating, with applications far beyond our discussion today. But hopefully, this has sparked your curiosity and given you a new lens to view your workplace experiences. I encourage you to continue exploring this topic. Read books, watch videos, and observe the dynamics at play in your workplace. Think about how you can use contingent contracts to your advantage. By understanding game theory principles, we can become more effective negotiators, better collaborators, and more successful in our careers. So keep playing the game, but this time play it with awareness, strategy, and a little help from game theory.